Hi, I am Harish Gurjeti, and welcome back to another session. Today is another interesting topic for partners and also people who are aspiring to be partners. So the topic for today is how to use AWS Skill Builder as a partner to generate more leads, train your team, and increase your revenue. So, the AWS Skill Builder, just that particular piece as a resource, is huge that AWS offers to whoever register as a partner on in Partner Central. So today I'm going to cover what AWS Skill Builder is, how can we leverage it to as a partner to grow the business, right? So basically, three things that we do: we want to get new leads, then we want to train the team properly, and finally we need to make more money, right? So those are the three basic things any business wants to do, and AWS partners are no exception. And AWS Skill Builder allows us to do a good portion of it. And I'm going to show you how it happens. So let's dive right in. So let me go ahead and log into Skill Builder, and then we'll get started from there. So one second. Okay, so this is the partner network, Partner Central, where you can log in and then from go to Skill Builder from there. So that's how I prefer to do it. So I'm going to log in to Partner Central, and then so we go to under Learn. You have self-paced training, and that's where you go, and then Skill Builder opens, and you if you're logging in for the first time, it will ask you a bunch of logins, and you log in with the same partner user ID and password. So it's a single sign on that takes you to that place. So first things first, so that we logged in. So what I'm going to talk about here is leave everything here, but this is a section where you'll see browse all courses, and then you'll have a ton of stuff here which I recommend we don't need to worry about. First thing is the first thing as a partner we want to build, we want to learn about marketing, right? So what the one course that is really useful in the Skill Builder is APN Marketing Academy. So just search for the word marketing, do the filters, pick your language as English. I mean, if you want to pick other languages, you can. So when you say marketing, you get a bunch of stuff on the right hand side. And then what we are really interested is in the Marketing Academy. I think I should just search for Marketing Academy. So here you have the APN Marketing Academy. So it's a 12-hour course. So what you do is, if you get in the course and look at the structure, it is pretty. This course structure is really, it tells you how to define your target audience, how to create your use cases, and then how to align your marketing campaigns, what is a marketing objective. So it teaches pretty much everything you need in terms of a market, finding a niche or finding your own space within AWS partner, because there are so many partners. I believe they say 50 partners registered every day, right? And you need to differentiate yourself to be able to serve your clients, and differentiate yourself to the market in the marketplace. So this course allows you to do that. So this allows you to run some teaches how to really create your use cases and things like that. So that's the Marketing Academy, APN Marketing Academy. So this course is really useful. So once you start as a partner, and if you are still building your team, if you don't have like a big team for marketing, different marketing people or salespeople, and you're a one person show, or you just have two partners, two friends working to build this business, this course is really useful. So that covers the marketing aspect of it. Then the next thing that you really want to look at it is really about the sales, right? So the course for that in Skill Builder is again pick English, and then you can check the word prospecting. So marketing is really spreading your message, spreading the word about what you're doing and what you stand for. And that doesn't really, that doesn't mean that you're just people are just going to drop in and you're going to provide some services. You still have to sell, right? So for that you need to prospecting is nothing but you're reaching out to potential customers and talking and sharing your value proposition, and hopefully they'll ask you to join. You ask them for a meeting and they agree, and then it goes on, right? So if you click on prospecting, then you will see in the prospecting 101, this is a really good course which helps you really understand. Selling is selling. You find a problem, you solve it, and that's what you do. You sell a solution, right? But the prospecting 101 really explains how you can actually connect. So how you can, it really tells about what we have to do, what is the theme for your, who is your target audience, how do you create your collateral for the presentation, what is the offer that you want to give to your client, and all of that stuff. So that is really useful to start prospecting your clients, do your outreach, to do the outreach, and then start generating some leads, and then selling your services. That's number two. And the third thing that I want to talk about is really, once okay, you did marketing, you're getting some leads, you're selling, you're prospecting, you're selling, but someone has to service the clients, right? So there is only so much one person can do. So eventually you'll end up building your team as a partner, and you'll hire more people, just like me, you're on the lookout for building your team. But the challenge really is, once the team is onboarded, once the new hires come in, how do you want to train them, right? So this AWS Skill Builder solves the problem for you, because once they register on APN Partner Central, and their IDs are linked with your organization, they have access to the partner Skill Builder as a partner as well, and then they can really leverage all the courses that are available on AWS Skill Builder. So I'm going to show you the best way to start training your team is, first identify what is that you already know. Since you did marketing, you did prospecting, you have leads, you now have an offer to your client, right, or to your potential customer. Yeah, so AWS is huge. It's like an ocean, right? You're not gonna do everything in AWS, at least in the beginning. So you want to focus on, let's say you're so for me it's really migration and optimization. So I want to focus on migration and optimization, for, let's just say, migration. So even when I hire someone, I want to hire someone with the skills that they have on migration tools, AWS migration tools. If not, if they don't have a serious experience there, I'll still be able to get them trained, right? So that's really the training aspect. So if you go into the learner dashboard, the way to do it is really this time you will really go ahead and pick the type as learning plan, not digital training. Digital training is just a course. We pick the learning plan, and then let's say we want to train them on migration. So we just pick the learning plan and type the keyword migration, and you will have a lot of learning plans. And also you can select um, all the free courses. So that's what we want to. We don't really want to subscribe at this time, because there is enough courses on Skill Builder that to get you started and not really do the lab. So as a partner, you have your AWS central AWS console login where the teams can try. But this is what it is about. This is what they can do. You go ahead and pick the migration. You have a sales partner. You have different things, pre-sales, what kind of migration you are doing. So basically you join a learning plan, and then you pick it from there. So that's really so if you want to do Microsoft workloads on AWS, they have a learning plan, a migration specialist partner learning plan. Then you have pre-sales for solution managers learning plan. sales partners learning by AWS. So they have different things, database migration. So they have, if that is the case, if you want to do something else like machine learning, if it is just a niche that you want to serve your clients, you can pick that as well. But at the end of the day, you have a ton of learning plans. Instead of doing digital training individual courses, I strongly recommend your team members to enroll into a learning plan so you can track what they are doing, and you can also track how much they did, how well they are with how far they went with the course and where they are with the whole learning program. So I hope this answers your questions on how to, when you're becoming a new partner, how do I market it? So they have the marketing academy. How do I sell it? They teach you how to prospect. And then finally, how once you have a team, how do you train them? They have the training. So it's really an all-in-one solution, the skill builder for partners. So you can actually start building your own partner business. And they are doing everything. AWS does everything they can to help us succeed. So I hope you like this session on how to use AWS Skill Builder. And if you have any questions, drop in a comment, and yeah, then I'll be happy to answer. And thanks for watching. And we'll join in the new session tomorrow. Thank you.